Hey guys, this is Steve with theatlasmovement.com, and today I wanted to share with you in this advanced variation of Primary Series 4. This is a single leg balance variation where we do a series in the front, out to the side, and then behind, and the goal of course is to do this without having to put your foot down to catch your balance in between. Now I'm showing advanced posturing. Now some people, of course, you're always going to have a handful of people with almost contortionistic like flexibility, and this is not going to really apply to them. But this is a combination of both having the level of balance and flexibility that it's being exercised front, side, and back. And then of course we will switch into the other side. You'll note that the grip change when we go to the back in the dancer's yoga pose. The grip change is different. Now there are subtle variations that can be made, and I show when I scale this in front of many students or in a workshop that there's so many different ways to actually create these movements that are going to work with almost everybody. So for purposes of demonstration, I show typically the advanced variation on the primary series, and of course in the workshops that I teach, I show how all of that is scaled down so that it's replicable. People can copy it, they can use it, and they can actually get the physical benefit of those tissues. You can see here, I go with an inside palm facing out with the back foot hold as I pull going overhead with the foot in the back. So this is going to vary from one person to the next. Anyway, this is Primary Series 4. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you at a seminar soon.